So what's up mga paps? So for today's video guys, so wala akong maisip. So for today's video, this edit is all about nagtanong-tanong ako sa mga kasamahan ko dito sa barko kung which do they prefer, if they prefer same nationality together in one vessel or mixed crew. Kasi yun naman palagi yung argument na palaging natatanong sa mga marino, or kung ano ba ang experience nila in terms of working with same nationality, for example puro Filipino or mix European, Filipinos, Indians, Chinese, Koreans, so whatsoever guys. So dito sa barko tinanong ko yung mga kasamahan ko and this is their answer. Yan. Yor, once again, tanong tayo kay Mayor. Yor, mixed crew o full crew?
Mixed crew.
Mixed crew. Mas maganda lutuan mixed crew kaysa full crew. Yan. Yan, para kay chief cook namin na magaling magluto, mixed crew daw mas maganda. Yan. Okay guys, yung mesma naman namin, oh. Si Gino.
Hi guys.
Oh. Tanong, mixed crew o full crew?
Hindi pa ako naka-experience ng full crew eh.
Hindi ka pa naka-experience sa full crew. Pero
Okay naman mixed crew.
okay, mixed crew. Ilang taon nga na ba barko? Tatlo. Yor, ilang taon ka na ba barko, Yor?
12 years.
12 years. Okay, so dalawang mixed crew na tayo. Ito ang pangmalakasan namin, no?
Yes.
Oh, ilang taon ka na nababarko?
Maanim.
6 years na guys. So, tanong.
Pati Inter-Island
Pati Inter-Island. Mixed crew, full crew?
Mixed crew siyempre.
Mixed crew?
Yeah.
Pero naka-experience ka ng full crew?
Yeah, sa Inter-Island.
Sa Inter-Island?
Magulo.
Magulo?
Nagkakaway.
Guys, siya nagsabi nun na depende sa experience to. Kaya, pero sa kanya, mixed crew talaga.
Mixed crew.
Namin, Oiler Rustan. Mixed crew.
Shout out.
Tanong ko, mixed crew, full crew?
Para sa akin, experience ko mixed crew kasi minsan pag full crew, yung magulo eh. Pero may mga dami ng masamaan eh. Pero mas prepared ko mixed crew.
Oh guys, yan na, narinig nyo. Mixed crew sa kanya. Hanap naman tayo ng iba. Yun, naabutan rin si third mate, oh. Third mate. Ayos nyo pang pamalakasan namin, no? Oh. May tanong ako. Full crew o mixed crew?
Mixed crew.
Bakit?
Mas magiging close ang mga Pilipino pag mixed crew. Kami na lang nagkikita-kita tapos nagban.
Kaysa maramihan, no?
Yeah.
Pag maramihan, ano?
Pag maramihan, wala, nagkakagulo.
Nagkakagulo. O, yan guys, ha? Yun, sige. Maghanap naman tayo ng iba. Peter, may tanong ako, Ter. Full crew o mixed crew?
Mixed crew.
Bakit? Bakit mixed crew? Kasi yan, matagal na nagbabarko to. O, bakit mixed crew, Ter? Bakit? Bakit?
Minsan may kuan eh. Parang mahirap yung paliwanag.
Mayroon ipaliwanag kasi minsan pag full crew may mga leader talaga, no?
Yun, leader. Grupo-grupo.
Grupo-grupo, kaya mas maganda mixed crew, Ter.
Mixed
Yan,
crew.
galing yan sa Peter namin. Thank you, Ter. New generation of ship, mga new generation of seafarers. So, Chan, mixed crew, full crew, Chan.
Mixed crew.
Bakit? Bakit?
Para hindi magulo sir.
Pero nakasubukan na ng full crew.
Hindi pa din.
Hindi pa. Tangina talaga. Okay, ikaw Mark, nakasubukan na ng full crew?
Siyempre, full crew.
Full crew.
Para nagkakaintindihan lahat.
Oh, guys, may full crew tayo.
Kapitan mo, Pinoy.
Oh,
Intindi talaga lahat.
intindi lahat.
Oh, communication sa
so
radio.
papipiliin ka, full crew Pilipino.
Full crew.
Yun, argumentative yan guys, ha, kasi may isa tayong full crew Pilipino. Oh, di ba?
Yes.
So guys, I'm here with one of the Egyptian fourth engineer.
Hello.
And also this
Two cadets from Saudi Arabia.
from Saudi Arabia.
Saudi Arabia.
So since fourth engineer is the most experienced from among these two,
Yeah.
which do you prefer? You work with all Egyptian or mixed crew?
No, mixed crew.
Why?
It will be so much trouble.
So much trouble
Yes,
if
all
same
nationality.
nationality. Yeah.
Yes, it
So
will
it's
be
better
so
mix,
much
ah.
trouble. Yes.
So guys, that's his experience.
From
So-
fourth engineer.
For
It's fourth engineer.
Yeah,
The
for
famous
famous fourth engineer.
in the Cairo. If you go in the Cairo, ask about the saying. All here.
So yun na nga guys, nakita nyo na video yung mga sinagot nila. So feel free to comment guys any objections, recommendations, violent reactions. Pag-usapan natin to about sa ganitong topic. If affected ba kayo, or ikaw ba to, or do you have some experiences regarding those kind of situations na you work with full crew Filipino or other nationality. So see you next vlog guys.